Good day. Can you tell me the tens complement of 6? Or shall I say, what is that number when added to 6 becomes 10? That will be our lesson for today. The tens complement. In this video, we will be demonstrating to you tens complement using blocks. Now let's start counting the red blocks. This is the first red block, second red block, the third red block, the fourth red block, the fifth red block, the sixth red block, the seventh red block, the eighth red block, the ninth red block, the 10th red block. So we have 10 red blocks. To demonstrate the tens complement, we will be using another color, the yellow one, showing the complementaries of a certain number. For example, 1 is the complement of 9 to make the tens complement. 2 is the complementary of 8. Likewise, 3 has 7 as a complement. Let's continue. 4 has 6. 5 has tens complement of 5. 6 has a complement of 4. 7 has a complement of 3. 8 has 2 as a complement. 9 has tens complement of 1. And lastly, 10 has 0 as a complement. Let me show you again the complementaries. 1 and 9. 2 and 8, 3 and 7, 4 and 6, 5 and 5, 6 and 4, 7 and 3, 8 and 2, 9 and 1. Now it's your turn to find the complement of a certain number to make it 10. Magulang na gustong isali ang mga anak upang mas lalo silang magiging mahusay, mangyari po lamang makipag-ugnayan sa mga admin. I-search lang sa Facebook ang IVFC Early Learners Info page. Ito ay isang libreng serbisyo mula sa I Volunteer for Filipino Children.